First of all, I would like to pay respect to all the Mahasangha. I am from Myanmar, and I'm with the Mingla Rama Temple in Silver Spring. I am so lucky to be invited to come here to witness this awesome, inspiring event. I will never forget. I am 81 years old, and I don't think I can make it to Bodha Gaya because of my health reasons. So this is such a wonderful opportunity for me to come and pay respect to the Buddha's relics. Sayadaw, you are absolutely awesome. I met you 3 times in Washington, D.C., and I was able to present the Shwedagon Pagoda Temple because you were in Myanmar. And all the Burmese Sangha and all the other national, international Sangha, I really pray, and I'm so happy, and I hope I will be able to donate once or twice. Once I've already donated, maybe twice or 3 times or 4 times.
At this sacred gathering, among thousands united in faith and peace, one gentle voice carried a lifetime of devotion. An 81-year-old devotee from Myanmar stood with deep emotion and gratitude, though age and health challenges had made long journeys difficult. This extraordinary occasion became a blessing beyond expectation. She shared how fortunate she felt to be invited to witness this inspiring and unforgettable event. For many years, she believed she might never have the opportunity to personally pay respect to the sacred relics of the Buddha. Yet, through faith, compassion, and the efforts of countless devoted people, that moment became a reality. With heartfelt sincerity, she spoke of her connection to the spiritual community in Washington, D.C. and Silver Spring, remembering the time she met the venerable monks and supported the temple and the international Sangha. Her words reflected the unity of Buddhists across nations. Myanmar, America, and many other cultures coming together in reverence to the Buddha's teachings. Even in old age, her spirit of generosity remained strong. She expressed her happiness in being able to offer donations again and again, not out of obligation, but from deep faith and gratitude. Her story reminds us that devotion has no boundaries of age, language, or distance. When the heart is guided by faith, even the smallest offering becomes something truly priceless. May her kindness, devotion, and unwavering faith inspire future generations to walk the path of compassion, generosity, and peace. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.